Understanding deaf as a post, a phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, deaf as a post. This is a common idiomatic expression in English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this interesting phrase. The phrase, deaf as a post, is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely hard of hearing or not paying attention. It's a vivid way to say that someone is not listening or cannot hear well. The word, post, in this context, refers to a wooden or metal pole that, obviously, cannot hear. So, when someone is said to be deaf as a post, it means they are as unresponsive to sound as an inanimate object like a post. Understanding the origin of idioms can be fascinating. Deaf as a post is believed to have originated in the 16th century. Back then, posts were a common part of everyday life, used in constructions and boundaries. Since posts are inanimate and cannot hear, this comparison became a popular way to humorously describe someone's hearing ability or attentiveness. Using deaf as a post correctly is important. This phrase is typically used in informal situations and often in a humorous or exaggerated manner. For example, I called his name several times, but he was as deaf as a post. You'll have to speak up. I'm deaf as a post this morning. Remember, it's not appropriate to use this phrase in formal contexts or to describe someone with actual hearing impairments in a derogatory way. English is rich with similar expressions. Phrases like, turn a deaf ear, to ignore someone or something, or, fall on deaf ears, when something said is ignored, are used in contexts similar to deaf as a post. These idioms all play on the theme of not hearing or ignoring what is being said. And that wraps up our exploration of deaf as a post. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.